deposits little minerals, and it builds up. They're called stalactites. And when they land, they form columns that sometimes you've seen where before they join together, the ones on the top are called stalactites, and the ones growing from the bottom are called stalagmites. And they create pretty awesome columns from the mineral deposits. And that's part of the reason that you don't want to touch any of the caves, because like Jesse was saying, it ruins the geologic information, because your oils will mess up the surface area, and it just interferes with the deposits.
I didn't see anything.
In these caves, everything's already been touched, but if you go somewhere else, like a lot of caves are not as explored as this one, you want to be careful about that kind of stuff.
Yeah. If you guys come to Pine Hill, there's a lot of stalactites and stalagmites we can see, so in a couple weeks look for that. And then,
so the main animals we'll be seeing here is bats and cave crickets. And yeah, I know they're tricky, but they don't bite. And the bats, of course. I don't have. Has anybody seen any so far? No.
Not yet.
Okay. So they're actually don't have any sight.
There's a bat.
So they use.
Hey.
Yeah.
Right here. So don't shine your light directly on it. Unless you have a red light, then you can do it.
Oh, yeah, there's one.
There's a bat.
Oh.
last part looked like a red light.
I knew there was going to be a bat here.
And like they usually the theater. Yeah.
Do you want to tell them about the white nose syndrome?
Yeah, so this has been like an infection in the bat caves going on around the last 2 years, I think. And there's a little like white fungus that grows on their nose, and they start having like abnormal hibernation behaviors. And what I thought was really funny is like their hibernation sites are called like hibernacula, kind of like Dracula in bats. And to stop the infection, because humans can bring them along and transport them from cave to cave. So afterwards, take a shower with your clothes on maybe, and then don't use the same clothes to go to other caves. What else?
If you guys go to Mammoth Cave at all, they will make you step on these mats before you enter the cave that kills the fungus on your shoes, because they don't want any, they're not infected. Their bats aren't infected. So if you've been to another cave in Kentucky, be prepared.
Yeah, make sure you clean off your boots after this if you plan on going on to another cave. Yeah.